In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Common App prompts change. Changing your selected essay prompt is a straightforward process. You can do this at any time before submitting your application. Your essay remains flexible until you officially submit it, allowing you to choose the prompt that best represents your ideas. To begin, sign into your Common App account. You can do this on both mobile devices like iPhones, iPads, and Androids, as well as on web platforms including Windows, Mac, and Chromebook. This step is crucial because it gives you access to all your application materials. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to make changes. Next, open My Common Application. This section is your central hub for managing your application. Here you can find all the components you need to complete your application process. It's where you'll navigate to the writing section, which is essential for modifying your essay prompt. This step ensures that you are in the right area to make your changes. From there, you will go to the writing section. This is where you can update various writing components of your application. In this section, you'll find the personal essay page. Navigating here is important because it allows you to focus specifically on your essay prompt, which plays a significant role in how you present yourself to colleges. Now open the personal essay page. This page is dedicated to your essay and is where you will see your current prompt. It's designed to help you articulate your thoughts effectively. Once you're on this page, you'll have the opportunity to change your essay prompt. This flexibility is beneficial as it allows you to select a prompt that resonates more with your experiences and ideas. Next up, select a different essay prompt from the drop-down list. The prompts are designed to inspire reflection and creativity. Choosing a new prompt can better align with what you want to express. This decision is crucial because it shapes the narrative you will present to admissions committees. After selecting the new prompt, review your essay and make any edits needed to ensure it answers the new prompt. It's vital that your essay aligns well with the selected prompt. This step allows you to refine your thoughts and ensure clarity in your expression. A well-aligned essay can make a significant difference in how admissions officers perceive your application. Once you've made your edits, save your changes before submitting your application. This step ensures that all your hard work is preserved and prevents any loss of content. Saving regularly is a good habit to develop as it safeguards your progress throughout the application process. As a note, for the 2026-2027 application cycle, the 7 Common App essay prompts remain unchanged from the previous year. This means you can switch between them at any time before submission if you find another prompt fits your narrative better. This flexibility allows you to craft the best possible essay to represent your story. By following these steps, you can efficiently change your Common App essay prompt whenever you need to. This process helps ensure your application reflects your best self, making it a vital part of your college application journey. I hope this video helps you navigate your Common App experience with ease. Good luck with your applications.